Next topic is we are going to see testing independence of attributes. Okay, see, before we saw that the chi-square test we can use for two purpose. Okay, the one is to test the goodness of it. Okay, and the other is to test the independence of attributes. Okay, so we are going to see the second purpose. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Okay, here the word attributes means a character. Okay, a qualitative character. Okay, so that is attributes. Okay, so we want to test whether the two attributes are dependent or independent. Okay, by using chi-square. For this we will see one example. Okay, in this example they said in previous election whether the voting is dependent on religion, okay, or not. Okay, so we want to test this statement by using the data. Okay, so this is the sample data. Okay, so based on this data we want to test whether in the previous election whether the voting is dependent on, on religion, okay, or not. Okay, so here the party, okay, the party is attribute. Okay, and similarly the religion is also an attribute. Okay, whether these two attributes, okay, that is one is party and other is religion. Okay, so whether these two attributes are dependent, okay, or independent. Okay, so that we want to test. Okay, that is independence of attributes are dependent on attributes. Okay, so that we want to test by using the chi-square test. Okay, so here mm, so uh, in this question we will frame a hypothesis, that is null hypothesis is independence on, okay, independent on religion. Okay, and the alternate hypothesis is dependent on religion. Okay, so this is the null hypothesis. Okay, this is null hypothesis and this is the alternate hypothesis. Okay, so first we will frame a hypothesis. Okay, that is independent on religion, or we can say independence of attributes. Okay, independent on attributes. Okay, are dependent on religion or not independent on attributes. Okay, so we are testing this criteria by using the chi-square test.